Greetings. So I welcome you to my channel. So today we are trying to continue answering final exam advanced Excel 2024 instant. So we saw number one, and so far the first video. The second video talked about number two. We saw how we can solve that. Then this video is about how we gonna answer this part or number three. So let us begin by maybe attempting this question. They said we click the challenge worksheet tab in the left bottom of our workbook. So obviously we expect to be given a support file in the form of Excel, that is having extension. So that file for Excel as a support file, when you open it, you find the challenge, and when you then they said you click on this to get challenge. So this is our support file they give. This is the challenge they give us. So when you click, you can see this is challenge, and this is what they need. So let us go and see our parts. They said move and copy the challenge and rename it as conditional F. So here we can just create another copy, move and copy, which means we can create another copy, and we think we must have two copies. So if I create another copy, I will have challenge 1 and challenge 2. So I will use challenge 2 to answer my question, because they said I renamed this one as conditional F. So let me rename it conditional F. So from there, let me go to my question, and they say what else. They say remove the row that contain data of Mukama goes to the beginning of the list. So when I go to my Excel, I look for Mukama. They said I moved the data of Rotamax to the beginning of the list. So let me go to my Excel. I can see the beginning of the list is empty, that is 2. So I have to look for Rutamaguzi. Then I select the entire row because I want to transfer the column, or I can select only Rutamaguzi data, and I come here, I move my cursor around the thick line. I'll be able to get this cursor. When it turns like that, I left click, I hold, then I drag until I reach where I want to press my content. So I release, then the content, the data for Rotamagus will be transferred from this place to this place, or will be cut from this to the other new place. So that is what they wanted. So maybe we go to part C, delete the blank rows after Akena and did any blank rows. So we go to our Excel. This is, I think this is the work. We select, maybe this is the work. We select, let us select our work, maybe after here. After that, we go to home tab, we go finally, then we go to special, Then we look for the word, where's the word blank space, is it there? Then we look for the word blanks, yes, then we click OK. So from here they will select all the rows that are blank. So I can go here to home tab, I click on delete, but this time I will delete only rows. I don't want to delete columns, I don't want to delete these headings, I want to delete only rows, this one rows. So if you have a huge data, that is the method you use to delete rows or empty cells. You go to home, go and search, go special, then find a blank, then you come to home again, you come where there is delete, then you delete what you want. So I'll delete on rows, so you will find the blank rows will go. So that is how we can delete a rows with maybe when you have a very huge data or large data. So let us go and answer another part. They said use appropriate form to calculate the total, average, max, minimum, percentage position of the learner depending on their average. So we go here and we calculate total will equal, they said we use formula, so equal sign this one plus this plus maybe let me begin with plus this plus this plus this. So I press enter, then I autofill to get other information. So here because average I want to use formula, so I will say total divided by how many subject, divided by 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 divided by 4 subjects. That is the formula for average. So maximum, I'll just use a function because I don't know the formula. Function max, then I select. So here I'm using a function because I don't know the formula. So equals again mean, a formula will be like just looking with your eye, then write, but it's better we use function. So here, then enter percentage. I want to calculate percentage. So before you calculate percentage, you first select the entire column for this or this, or I select only cells that I want to put percent. I select only cells up to here, the last person, then I convert this to percent. And first make this cell into percent, which means I've just multiplied each of these cells by 100. So if I want to convert this total into percent, I will just say this, I will say equals, and this total divided by how many the total, how many the total divided by how many when this one are marked out of 100. This is 100, this is 100, this is 100, this is 100. The total will be 400. So out of 400, this guy managed to get only 275. Out of 400, this one managed to get this one. Out of 100, this one managed to get this one. So that is how I can convert. Then I press enter. I don't need to multiply by 100 since I converted into 100. So just press enter, it will be converted. So from here, so I will autofill at once. So that is how we can do it. So after autofilling, so let me get you to position equals rank. This is the function that can get position for you, but here I'll use rank avic because I have already average. This one means rank average, so I'll use that one because I have already average. So rank, the number, this is the number, comma, they told me the next part is reference. It is very one, the column for rank, for average. So from here, okay, then F4 drop that column. I don't want to shift, then comma, then descending, or I'll just ignore that since it is optional. So the order is optional. So I'll just press enter. So I'll autofill. Then I'll be able to get that position. So that is how we can get position. So from there let us go and see other part. They said students who offered physics have been given a bonus of 5% of their original mark. Create the new mark in new column left after their position. So we put here new mark. So here we're gonna calculate new mark for a student who offered physics. So they said a student who offered physics was given 5%. So 5% times their original mark for physics. Where is the physics? Here. But remember, here we are trying to calculate what is inside 5%. This is what is inside 5%. So 5% to times this physics, we're gonna get the marks within 5%. But we are looking for what we call new mark. New mark, it means after getting what is inside the 5%, we add that the marks for physics and this the result. So this one scored this. So this is the what he scored. So I'll reduce these marks into 120 decimal. So it is better to handle this marks in percentage. So you can see this one, because he offered physics, he had 67, but after getting something in after being given a percentage of 5%, as bonus of 5%, now instead of having 67 is having 70. We can see, we can try to compare and see. So that is how we can answer that one. Another part, let us say you are the teacher of a certain school with the result you by using conditional format perform the following task. Using the table below, apply conditional form so that it highlights or contains the criteria in the table on each subject. So we go and our X and we select each subject here. So this is the subject. We select only the subject. So from selecting the subject, we go to the question. They said those one who is above 74, they supposed to have green field with darker text. So we go to our Excel home, then conditional formatting, highlight cells, then greater than. Said those one above 74 must have green field. We look for green field with darker text. So okay, so that is done. We go to our question and see those one between 60 and 74 must have green fill. So we go to our Excel 60, they said 60 to 74. 60 to 74 home tab, they are still selected. Conditional formatting, cell rules, then between they said 60 and 74, so they must have green fill only. Green. Do you have green? They said green, only green fill. We don't have green. We go to custom, then we go to fill, then we look for the green, that is green fill, then we click OK. Okay, so let us go to another part. Then between 45 to 54, you must have yellow fill with darker text. So 45 to 54, 45 to 54 home, same thing. Conditional formatting, cell between 45 then to 50, 54. I think 54. Yes, 45 to 54 is okay. Then they must have what you call green, yellow, feels darker, that is okay. So we go to another part, and they said below 45 ready, fill with dark. So we go to our Excel home, conditional formatting, this one less than 45, I think 45, then red green with it, that is what they wanted. So click OK. So that is what they wanted. So from there we go to another part. They said using average mark, highlight the cells with the above average in green fill and the below average with the light red fill. So above average green fill and the below average light red with the dark. So we go to our Excel, look for the average column, we select only the average mark. So we go to home tab, conditional formatting, top bottom, this is above average. They said we must have green fill, so green fill we don't have it here. We go to custom, we go to fill, then we look for green. Okay, then they said below average, below average, we supposed to have that one. It's okay. So from there we go to another part. So they said using total highlight the cells that contain the best 20 student with light blue fill and bold text, and hence list student 14 list student with light red fill. So we go to total column, this is the total column, we select on remark for total. So from here we go to home tab, conditional format, then they said they wanted to see the best 20, so top 10 items, the best 20, we click here up to 20. So they said they want to see red blue. We have red blue here, light blue, we don't have light blue. So we go to custom, we look for light blue here, and bold, we go to font, we make sure it is bold, then another things, it's okay. So they said they want to see the list 14, so bottom, then bottom item list 14, so we increased 14. 14. So which color they told us, for hence 14 also with the light red field. So we go here and look for light red field. That is it. It's okay. So that is what they wanted. Another part, they said using maximum score highlight cell that contain with color scale, or using maximum score highlight the cells with color scales of green, yellow, red string. So we go to maximum score, we select on that one, we select on this max, go home, conditional format, go where there is color scale, then look for a trend called green, yellow, red. That is what they wanted. So another part, using a mini score highlight with color scale of blue trend. So let us go to mean, we highlight the only max, come here on the max home condition, here what we call color scale, but this time blue, white, the blue, beginning with blue with blue. I think not seeing blue. What was the trend? I think here blue. This is what they wanted. So from there they said blue, white, that is it. So using percentage score, highlight the cells with light blue, that blue data bars colors. So using percent column, so this is the percentage, we select on the percent, we go percent, we go to conditional formatting, home tab, conditional formatting. There is what you call this data bars. So they said with blue, I think data bar with blue, I think blue is here. That is what they wanted. So another part, they said using new total mark, highlight the cells with unique value with light green. So we go to this new mark, we go to home, conditional format. They want new cell but with unique. This is a duplicate, so under duplicate there is the opposite of duplicate is unique. So we want this one to be with light red. So that is what they wanted, light red, light green. So light green. So we come here, duplicate, unique, but they wanted light green. So we come to custom, fill, light green, then okay. So that is it. That is what they wanted. So another part, they said copy your work to the next new sheet by moving and copy, hence rename as percentage in uppercase blue to uppercase. So come here, so we copy this, so right click, remove and copy, create a copy and move it before this one, or maybe before that one, then create a copy, it's okay. Then before this one, you can see tab color, they said blue, so You can even move this to be after this, so, and rename this percentage in uppercase, percentage. So that is it. From there they said rename this as percentage. So from there they said using the percentage sheet care rules of conditional formatting in percentage score column only back to normal. So we go to this, the one we named percentage, we highlight percentage column. They said we clear conditional formatting rule here only. So we come here, clear rule from selected cells, so it backs to normal. I think it's okay. From there they said hence in the percentage score apply the conditional formatting using icon, and under more rules apply data bars and show bars only with the gradient purple color. So we go to condition percentage, we select on this. From there they said we go to conditional formatting, under icon we go to more rules. From there we expect to get this one. So from there they said we show from there they said we show bars. So we show bars, and from there they said we show bars only, and they said we choose gradient fill. The color they said we choose purple. I think gradient, they said purple. Gradient fill we choose bar only. That is it. They said hence using apply conditional formatting using icon, and under more rules we went there, then apply data. We have applied data, shows back data only. That is it. Then gradient purple, the color we have applied that purple color, then we press OK. That is it. So from there, another thing you can see here, if you change this one to 100, if you just tap there 100, you can see the bubble will change to, the thing will come to 4. Even if you change this one maybe 1%, it will reduce, it will show that one reduce. If you change to maybe 50, you can see it changes to 50. You can see how it shows. So that is how we can do it. So let me try to do it again, because I'll try to do a couple of undo. So they said we go to icon, under more rules, we expect that one. Then format style we select it. We don't want icon, we want bars. From there we say only bars only. The color they say the purple, and they say the gradient. So we click OK. That is how we can apply that. So from there they said align the low headings to 19 degrees. Then we come here, this is the heading. I think this is the heading. They said align to 19 degrees. Come to alignment group, under launcher button, click there, right there, then 19 degrees, press enter. It will be aligned automatically. So from there we go to another part, apply thick up outside, then thin green, then OK. So we apply to borders to our work with. Select the entire thing, the entire work. From there we go to home, border, more borders because we're specific. Then thick color purple outside, that is outline. You can see the preview. Then thin, you can choose any thin line you are seeing. You can select this one, thin color, they say the green inside. You can see even the preview, then click OK. So that is what we wanted. Okay, then save your work. I think then save your work as your name, then it's okay. Thanks for watching. That is the end of this question. I see you in the comment, maybe when answering question 4. Thanks for watching. May God bless you.